So right now you're looking at the dashboards from the perspective of an engineering manager or a tech lead. So everything you see here is for people who are part of a team, and it's aggregate data. We do this because we're developer first and we want to respect their privacy. Developers themselves do have access to their own data. So here we have the overview dashboard, what we're measuring, well-being, collaboration, work. Here we have an overview score. Here we have week to week, month to month, and the 4 DORA metrics. So moving on to the work dashboard, I mean, we've got the time in it, so I have to do this quite quickly. This is data taken from GitHub or GitLab. Metrics for commits. You can see any new or reworked code. We have deployments with deployments duration per pipeline stage to see if things are getting stuck, to see if there are any hidden bottlenecks where they may be. Deployment success rate. We have merge pull requests. And we have reviews. Okay, so move on to the work dashboard. Or the collaboration dashboard, sorry. So this is different because it's based off the integration with Slack and Google Workspace. So the idea here is to understand if the communication of the team members becoming a distraction to their focus time. So here we have, you can see where communication is happening and how that's happening. You ideally want a mix of green and gray. We have most used channels, public and private channels, hours in meetings, and we have event type breakdown, which takes a title of the in the calendar and classifies it into an event. And we have time spent in meetings compared to the average. So this is all to show you trends and anomalies. And moving on to the wellbeing dashboard. So this is data taken from whatever's happening on the Git tool and the communication. So to give you an idea, this is kind of here to give you an idea if there's any risk of overworking or burnout in their team. The problem is developers don't feel like they have enough focus time, so it means they're putting in longer hours compared to the average. And it might be, well, there'll be more out of hours communication. You'll see a trend here, for instance. Similar to the last dashboard, but slightly different. You can set focus time, and the darker the patches, the more distractions that's going on that may be affecting focus time. And you can see the trends here. And we have upskilling with expected languages and new languages. Time to review pickup. Here we have personalized insights, where it effectively does the heavy lifting for you. And yeah, it recommends based on the changes in behavior. So you don't have to go into it and look, what do I need to do? This will recommend, and you can set missions from the recommendations. So it effectively does a 360 process. You've got work, if you want to set there. You've got collaboration, you can go into it there. You've got well-being, and you can create, so that everybody is on the same page, and whatever the target is that week or that month, everybody is aligned with that objective in the team. So here we have team members, we have the active missions, and we have the team achievements that you can get from completing the missions, and there's more badges as well. So contact me if you have any questions at j.wells@adadot.com. Thanks.